Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to stop Google Chrome application from blocking downloads on your Android device. To do that, let's go to the Google Chrome browser, then tap the three dots icon in the upper right corner, select Settings. Now go to the Privacy and Security tab. Here, select the Safe Browsing option and now enable No Protection option and confirm. This way you will be able to download any file using your Google Chrome browser. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.